Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair, Creston-Kenilworth, Portland, Oregon. Right now, heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now, heating and cooling is the most suitable choice if you are looking for reliable HVAC contractors within your area. Our expert team can offer services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years of expertise in the HVAC industry, and we can take care of any of your toughest HVAC problems. Our skilled HVAC technicians and contractors are highly experienced in all aspects of heating and cooling industry. They offer exceptional service, with outstanding results, outstanding customer service, and competitive prices. Our team takes pride in being up to date on codes and technology in order to keep your family and home well maintained. We enjoy our work, and that is evident in the superiority of work we do on every job, no matter the magnitude or the complexity. From minor heating and cooling repair to huge-scale central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC contractors can help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the field, meaning the work you do will be done exactly every time. Right now, heating and cooling anticipates that we will continue to work with us regardless of when the new equipment has been installed. Our ongoing services are designed to ensure your unit operates at peak efficiency without disruptive breakdowns. Our services include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other related services. Our approach has always been straightforward, and that is to offer a reasonable price with qualified HVAC technicians and no hidden fees, backed by an unconditional guarantee of the work done. Our HVAC contractors are available now to help with any heating and cooling installation or repair to your home or business. We provide pricing options for each repair/expert, guaranteed workmanship, emergency and weekend service, as in warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.